Well, those who want to be independent are free. In fact, being independent is the simplest thing. They can actually file now. But if those who want to be Triple C, they are already on the party ticket and they will register as party nominated candidates. If you have any query, you have already approached the grievance handling body. If your issue is not resolved, you are free to also even stand on your own. In fact, the more the merrier. But what we know is that Triple C will have a full complement of the candidates, and they're going to be announced. Why should we announce candidates in the context where we have ZANU-PF literally pursuing our candidates one by one? Why should we give you the final list now, so that we are advertising targets and victims? We're dealing with ZANU-PF, and we know how to deal with them. Even if they come and hoping to get information through journalists, we will not give them that information. We will give them necessary information for them to understand that we are coming and we are ready for them.